This ancient sound frequency could completely transform your energy field. The 528 Hz tone, known as the love frequency, works directly with your chakra system to dissolve energetic blockages that regular meditation can't touch. When your aura becomes clouded with negative energy, this specific vibration helps realign your entire energetic body. As the sound waves penetrate your energy centers, they create a resonance that pushes stagnant energy outward, leaving your aura cleansed and vibrant. Just 10 minutes daily with this frequency can shift your entire energetic blueprint. Notice how differently people respond to you when your aura is clear and your chakras are balanced. To learn more about chakras and sound healing, visit Coffee Time with Grandpa on YouTube. Blessed be.